Hi, graphic design students. Miss Mayberry here. Just wanted to go over a few things really quick about how the online class is going to work. First of all, there is a folder on Schoology now. Everything's going to be through Schoology. It's called Second Semester Folder for online or remote learning. There will be 2 assignments uploaded every Monday, and they will be due by Friday by 3 p.m. Each assignment will be in its own folder, so make sure you're paying attention to what assignment folder you're in and which one you are working on. And make sure you're paying attention to what you should put in the subject line in the email when you turn it in. Mostly you'll be turning them in through email. Sometimes you'll turn them in through Schoology, so just make sure you pay attention to what the instructions are for that assignment. I will be making video tutorials just like this one to show you how to use the programs we will be using, which will be Google Photo, Slides, and Google Draw. And it'll look like this. So you'll first see me talking, then it'll flip to the screen here, and you'll be able to see me use the screen, how it will look for you, and I'll show you how to get to Google Photo, for example. It'll look like this. You'll open up Google, make sure you're logged in. You'll go up here to the options, click Drive. And when you click New, that's where you're going to find, you'll have to click More. That's where you can find Google Draw that we'll be using. Google Photo is found in a different location, and I'll show you how to get to that too. Once we're in there, I will go through each assignment and what you should be doing for it. So it's not too different from Illustrator and Photoshop, and I'll be making them pretty simple. They won't be too hard. I'll also be having video conferences through Google Hangouts that you can request anytime Monday through Friday between 8:30 and 3. Just shoot me an email, then I'll send you an invite, and I'll call you through the email. It'll be really easy on your end. And you can ask me questions, and you can also see my screen, and I can walk you through any problems you might be having. If it looks like a large part of the class is having issues with one particular subject, then I'll hold a large group conference through Google Hangouts that will be recorded, that you can go back and watch later if you couldn't do it during that time. If you have any questions, send me an email, put your name with the word question after it, and I'll answer them. I'll answer emails anytime, even on weekends, but the video conferences are just for Monday through Friday between 8:30 and 3. Other than that, I hope your break is going good, and make sure you check Schoology Monday for your first assignment.